Hi everyone, Paul down here at Ccrv with Netto lights. Right, we're off today. Where are we going, Ashley? Lutterworth. Yeah, what's the name of the Stanford Hall? Yeah, we're going to Stanford Hall today. Right, we've arrived. This is Stanford Hall. But we're here to sort of repair some, I think, typical winter damage, few leaks and stuff like that. So let's go and have a look. It looks a bit bleak, but it is winter. As you can see, there's quite a few caravans and stuff. Do you think most of the folks live here full time or holiday?
Yeah, it is full time, yeah. They've always got pictures for that as well, so if you're looking.
Holiday home. Here we go. Let's have a look at this Sabre. There we go, we got Ashley up on the roof. He's basically just going over some bits and pieces up there. Just what it is, it's been really, really windy and wet, and you can see it looks quite dismal and bleak here, really. And that's, unfortunately, that's the winter for you. Hold on. Let me just get the.
Always a good one.
Get that up there, actually. I just
keep all these.
Yeah, if you just show them round. So these gutters and stuff, look, you can see where they're blocked up. So I need to keep the water off the body.
Put them up here, just clean this up, and we're gonna go over that.
And this is what we're going to reseal. So what just shows the viewers there where you put that bit in that corner. That's quite easy little seals. And all it is expansion, contraction. And then so we're actually just going to go around them and just double check them and just seal them up, really. Just sort of things you should do in the winter. There you go. I'm just saying to the customers that a good option on these is slide toppers. Now that double suite's over there, but that actually has slide toppers. Let's have a look. Can you see? That's a bedroom slide, but if you can see on the roof, if Steve will just zoom in on it, they got slide toppers. They are a really good addition to waterproofing your van. Right, so we've re-siliconed most of these, and this is where the problem was. Here, you see that gutter?
Yeah, it's a bit too long.
Yeah, we found, I don't know, somebody in their infinite wisdom has fitted this sort of contraption here, but you can see it actually goes back into the van, and I'll show you inside where the water's going. So looking at the other side, it's tilting away from the van, so I think that's half the problem. So what we've done is we're going to stick, Ashley's put one of our little visors on the top of the window that you can see up there. That'll keep the rain off of that window frame, so that'll eliminate that. And then we're going to bend that down. Does it bend down, Ashley, or?
Screw in it.
I think it was taking off, didn't it?
Yeah, it really does.
I've got some of that guttering stuff that we could put on there, yeah. We'll put some of our tricky guttering stuff on. I'll just run inside and just show you where the water was coming through. It's sort of got the floor all wet here, and all I can think it is in the corner where this guttering comes into it, it's where it's brought the water in. So, as I say, this is easy repairable, but it would have been avoidable. Now we're just rerouting this guttering. A little bit fiddly. We're rerouting the guttering. There you go. And that should divert the water straight off of that slide, and actually tucked it all the way inside. I don't know if you can see it. It's all the way inside. And then we'll just put that bit of rubber under there. So the water should come down there and straight off that little bit of guttering. And this is the stuff we've got. We've got this in stock. So if anybody wants any, give us a shout. But this is ideal for diverting the water off of your van. And we've got all the bits to keep them dry. Let's have a look.
See the white guttering goes on to the rubber?
Yeah, I have to get the camera in there. But see the white guttering right at the back?
And up and down there.
Yeah, and now we put that little bit of channel on there, and that will keep the water, if any water goes in there, that's going to keep it straight off the van, so the floor inside will dry out. But these sort of little things can easily be sorted out. I'll give it a wipe. And this is a real good fixer. We put this on a few vans and it works. If you come out here when it's pouring down the rain, you'll see it. Right, here we go. So Ashley's got to get this in one now because the sticky is proper sticky. So we just cut a bit off there and overlay that, lay it down there and just stick it on. There you go, so there's a bit of trim on there, but that will keep the rain off of the side of the van. Alright?
Oh, that's brilliant.
So this is the sort of service you get down at Ccrv. We do try to keep our customers happy. This is sort of, I don't know, about, what's the date today? 22nd, 23rd of December. So we're just out helping our customers out. So I reckon that just about concludes this video. Like and subscribe to the channel. That's me, Ashley and John, over out from Ccrv. So me and Ashley are off today. It's obviously pitch black. I don't even know if this is going to come up, this video, but it's pitch black.